I guess it's safe to say ukuthi isimo semanzunzu njengamanje because orchid becomes part of the is it a solution or a problem? Because uzania nama picture nama video of everything that has happened on that day where untombazana lo umpumi got lost or whatever. So uzanama video and then Untutuko says no, but we can't be keeping this kind of information because we are going to be the main suspect of what has happened on that night. And then Boto said, listen, this could actually be the ticket to our freedom because now we don't have anything that leads us to her. Some of the things we do not remember. So what if when they ask us, we don't have anything to say because we don't remember a whole lot of things. We don't even know what happened on that night itself. Omunye ke urealize ukuthi ngathi ulele nomuntu but akazi. See, so that is a big problem. He does not even remember if he left the room that they actually booked at Levels. Is it Levels? Level Up. They did. He does not remember. Untutuko does not remember. But then he does remember Wuti. At some point, he was with Halalelo, and then now he calls Halalelo. Halalelo, please come through. I need to talk to you. Then they had a sit-down chat, and then he was asking questions. What happened on that day? Where did we go? What did we do? And then Khalil's like, you know what? It looks like you don't remember anything that has happened on that night. That's Ladela. I don't remember anything. And I need you to remind me. Did we actually go all the way? I was not the type of girl. When I was otherwise, Mina, I am going to delete your number and then angeke saphinde sibonane athi ke noNtuthuko you don't have to. Actually, we could be friends. You don't delete my number. Maybe something somewhere somehow will come up, or whatever. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Ndimadekwana sanibonani absent malweni minjani hiphukile hingongwini. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa Scandal hikuma korosla tsamisa kange kahle, looking at the fact that UTD is not in fact intending to tell the truth of what is happening with her. Actually, the goal is so that agashate and then masagashate she will cross the bridge when she gets there. Now the question is, what if she crossed that bridge and she is unable to cross it because udivetu velating hlabi divorce namhlanje? So westeki mali, westeki everything. But Askolapo, Udivet is so willing to have this wedding so much so that he asked Mkulukasa to be his right-hand man. Now he was actually bothered with he's planning things that are going to happen after Utidi Eshonile because now at Angegaza Piliskatesi, the magic am I a bad person with to sing at Kabangu to Masaka Shonile, Ilona Ngiyenza Anjani, this bang Anjani in Ingenza Anjan. Am I a bad person to think that we're waiting Kabangelumundu with Agashon ati Umkulugasa? No, you're just thinking ahead and there's nothing wrong about it because you need to be prepared. And then he was like, okay, in that case, I'll be honored to do that. Speaking of honor, there's somebody who's not being honored. Udintle comes home, ukhuluma nomamazala athi lalela mina ngiyamkhulekela uNhloso ukuthi aphole athi uma wakhe yebo nami ngiyamkhulekela athi ngicela ukubuza ke mama umkhulekela uthini kahle kahle, what are you saying? Because ngizwile indaba ethi wena uthi mina ngifunza uNhloso i-love potion and ntho ha ke itse azange ka tshwara setlhare so bianong ha o re ke nna o ra goreng motho eleng gore o tshwantse o mo suspect ke Madlomo ke yena ne a sanya ke Sthepo ene bianong ne a sanya ke gore Nhloso a tsamaye. So ha o ka lebella no ya kenyetse mara fela Nhloso o sa rata Madlomo ene Madlomo hanya ke Sthepo. So who is now looking like someone eleng gore una le motive ya gore a ka ira gore Nhloso a be di love potion? Hayi umamazala athi ayikho lento eshoyo wena onenkinga lana wahamba waphinda wabuya jikijiki phatha uyanyala. So Dintle went to her therapist and talk about how she did not want to be a size 2. She actually wanted to be the wife, and then she forced Untloso to marry her. Now she feels like maybe she pushed way too much to a point that he did not have an opportunity because Umadlomon ki yena na sabatle go Sthepo. So yena a force gore bona le nna ibile ha kenya ke Sthepo ha kenya kuba side chick ya hao kenya go tsena lenyalong. So she feels like this is all her problem because if she did not force, then probably we were not going to be here at this point. We're probably going to be in a happy relationship also, or probably in a Stembu, but she did not want Stembu either. So she's just crying herself to, I don't know, to sleep, because now she feels like it's her problem. And on the other hand, Umadlomo is not making it easy for her. Not Umadlomo. Umama Zala Wake is not making it easy by actually saying that she is the reason why Angel. But the question is, did she give Unkloso a love potion? Angiboni mina yenzeka lento le. Untinhle, she's not the kind of a girl utamayanga meaty and stuff. Anyway, there's a meeting that is happening between Bototo Orchid and Tutuko. They're just trying to discuss Kanti. On that very night, they are going through the pictures, going through the videos that were taken there, and hoping and praying for aka post a video because haka post a video it lo fa mothala gore something actually happened, and ba tlo batla go itse gore ke mang na hosta party ne ba hostela kae go nule eng go tshwere eng. Then what happened thereafter, ba ja go check le di CCTV footage gore ke mang o tsuleng ke mang ne a setse. So gore at the end of the day they are gonna narrow it down to them. But when they look at the pictures, there is hona le motlhalanyana mara ha o bontshe pila gore go irahalang. I foresee that Mothala being maybe the reason why they will go scot free. I hope, because as it is, question is Kimang. Because Ntutuko does not remember anything. Ntutuko is just trying to figure out what happened on last summer, like everybody else. Ladies and gentlemen, ke a leboha go every day le mo channeleng ya ka le bohele di video tsa ka, ke a leboga ke ne ke a le tlhompha haholo. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it up to this far.